This 2027 Lance TC1172 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 11 feet 11 inches in length and features a Grayson interior, sleeps 5, self-contained, TV, air conditioning, water heater, skylight, LP detector, smoke detector, oven, external shower, auxiliary battery, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper RV features bunk beds, bunk over cab, front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Lance TC1172 is 4,524 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.